Alright guys, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be doing something different. Today I'm going to be letting viewers decide whether I get an iPhone 15 or whether I continue to use my Galaxy devices, my Galaxy S23 Ultra and my Z Fold 5 exclusively for a year. And I posted a poll on my community page over here on YouTube, and right now out of 12 votes, 67% of people are saying Galaxy for a year, with 33% of you saying get an iPhone 15 and 0% saying use both. So make sure you go over to the community poll and vote, and if it gets votes, Galaxy for a year, maybe I'll skip the iPhone 15. Now if there's a lot of new stuff on the iPhone 15 that I do want to review, I'll probably end up picking one up and not using it as my main device. But I do want to let viewers decide to see what content they want to see. So if you guys want to see like Galaxy for a year and have me exclusively use these devices all year long and review them and all that kind of stuff, let me know. Make sure you head over to the community poll and vote. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. As always, have a great day.